right here, I have the only copy of my electrical engineering final exam that I will be turning in shortly. And you guys sent in a few files that I am going to willingly install on my PC. In the last video, I said if it got 50,000 views, I would take whatever infested PC I have at the end of this video to Office Depot. We got a small bit, wee bit more than 50,000 views. We will be taking it to Office Depot at the end of this video. Also, we've got to set the standard a little higher now. If you guys manage to get 10,000 likes on this video, I'm doing the next one entirely shirtless. We did that before, but y'all seem to find it very interesting. Free OnlyFans content. And if this video gets 50,000 views this time, I will be taking it to Best Buy to see what the Geek Squad at Best Buy have to say about virus-infested computer round 2. Let's start opening up the files that you guys sent and see how well my final exam fares against a bunch of strangers. I trust y'all, right? Y'all wouldn't do anything to my final exam, right? It seems one of you smart individuals have figured out a file that makes my zip file corrupted. So some reason it must have like a breakpoint in the zip. I can't freaking open it. So now I've got to go through and manually pick out all these files to figure out which one you guys decided to send in that makes my life 1,000 times more difficult. Thank you so much. Just want to say y'all are some sick people. I spent a good bit of time trying to figure out why I couldn't open any files. Thanks, guys. Also, you guys should upload files. There's a Dropbox down in the description. If it is full, please comment down below and say that it is full so I can empty it and put it all in another folder. Some people thought it was a good idea to email me, like viruses and stuff. Google bans your account for that, so please do not try doing that. Just comment down below that like the Dropbox is full and I will empty it as soon as possible. Notice part if you don't understand Russian. Okay. So someone wants self-promotion. Valid. Unlactic. Why do you all send me this? If I was into furry stuff, this is some nasty stuff y'all send. Okay, sex god. Sus. I am... Oh. Well. Okay, we got some videos. Mr. Crab is sus, okay. Richard. Kitty. Whew. There's a lot of... First off, Mr. Richard and Kitty are... could have been two very different things, so, very grateful that my eyes after that last one was not, unconsentingly, subjugated to, images I should not see. Oh. Torshki Bobux. Okay, we got some random... People just submit random images. Okay. We got a cat. Richard sending in cat. That's also very luckily not something that I should be worried about. Whew. So I'm thinking it's time we try some, try to run some stuff. So we got a Viraxer on auto clicker. Let's turn on the auto clicker. Oh, okay. So it looks like we've got an auto clicker. So that way we can hack in cookie clicker. I'm going to try doing everything first without administrator permissions. And then we'll do administrator permissions and send this sucker to Office Depot. Oh, so someone sent the 3DS manual. So if you guys want to know why you couldn't upload files, it's because someone sent in a whole 3DS manual. StarCraft 2 setup. Oh, we're going to actually play StarCraft here? Let's go. I think this PC actually can run something decent. StarCraft 2 setup. Well, looks like that's not happening. Okay. What's new? Someone sent a change log. Yo. Animal Crossing. Let's go. RR config copy with an I. Okay, let's just open files. This means administrator permission. Let's go. Sand Simulator. Okay, let's go. Did someone actually successfully send in the first game? Yo, no way. Support on Patreon. Local game. No way, someone actually sent a whole game. Let's go. Okay, how do I use these controls? I don't know how to play, but this is actually the best submission for me, at least, so far. I don't know how to play. Like, nothing I'm doing is moving, so I don't know. It looks like, I mean, it's cool, but... Oh, we have a DX web setup. Okay. DirectX setup. Let's install DirectX, guys. It's important for play the games and stuff. EO vlogs and games and fun under swap. Well, oh, we got another game. Yo, let's go. Humans and Monsters. Undertale demo. Press Z to enter. Yo. POG. Done. Oh, I have to type this? Okay. P. O. Okay, I don't know. RBX, Roblox FPS Unlocker. Okay. Roblox exploits. You know it's great when someone knows how to spell stuff, right? Like, I clearly trust you all so much. Y'all wouldn't do anything to my poor computer, especially because whoever probably sent this in is quite young, because, I mean, I can't spell exploits either, but, I think this is gonna, I think I should probably trust y'all. Y'all seem like a trustworthy bunch. After all, y'all got this last video to 1 million views. Certainly can trust y'all. Nothing happened. TDS killer. Let's just go to town. Oh boy. Well, not what I wanted to do just yet. Look at that. And yeah, that was kind of interesting. Okay. I do saw Vine Sauce ROM corrupt. Oh. Installing Bing Bar. Yo, this is always a great sign. Especially when the computer starts ramping up. This is great. Great. Better get going because I have a feeling this is going to end quickly. I better just not answer these prompts because I think we've gotten into memes territory. Vine memes. Fellow meme connoisseur. Let's just go ahead. Drop in there. Yes. I have a feeling we're going to end up in a interesting predicament in a second. Oh, yes. Look at the memes. Look at the mouse going to town. Let's go. We've definitely got some memes, guys. That mouse is just going. Oh, yeah. Look at that. There we go. This is going to be great. This classic memes. Yo, this is difficult. Yo, this is going to be wildly interesting. Free Bobucks generator. Oh, we've got some goodies. The mouse is having a seizure, which is the most interesting thing. Okay. Garfield, Pong. Just go to town. Just go to town. We got Christmas trees. Let's go. Yo, hear that computer spin up? Oh. We've definitely leveled up quite a bit, guys. Oh, memes.exe. Yo, it's a little I already see memes.exe is running. Let's go. This is such a freaking, I need like a better mouse, dude. This trackpad is not the way to go. Prepare to meet your biggest enemy again, Joel. Okay. All. This is just going to town. Let's fight. Yo. Yo, is this like a boss thing? Let's go. Dude, this is... I think this computer has become kind of inoperable. Now I think this is pretty good. So now I've got to figure out how I'm taking this up to Office Depot without them figuring it out. So quick reminders. Number 1, submit your files down below. You definitely want to see the next video if we take this to Best Buy. What I say, 50,000 views and we'll take it to Best Buy next time. 10,000 likes and y'all are going to see round 2 of my OnlyFans content. I've been working out at the gym just for y'all, so you make sure you like it so you can see my exclusive OnlyFans content for free. You guys ready for me to embarrass myself? I don't know how good this camera's going to be. Wish me the best of luck. Let's go. Sad thing though is I had everything set up, you know, what you guys saw last. I put the lid down, went to bed, woke up the next day, opened it up, and lo and behold, the drive had kafooied. So I didn't get the full experience of showing him everything. Next time I'll have to do it in the parking lot. So I had some cousins come over and they played on this, and I don't know what they did. And for the record, I checked all the stuff. I think they downloaded something. I don't think it's because it had Windows on here and stuff. I just don't know what.
Well, I don't think they downloaded something, but what it's showing is that it doesn't recognize where your hard drive is. Now I don't know if you're picking it up, but I'm picking up something that doesn't really smell all that good, electronic-wise from it.
Okay.
But you know, that could just be me. I'm not saying it definitely is or anything like that, but it's most definitely not seeing Windows on there correctly.
I mean,
it's hard to tell with the mask on, but
I have a friend who told me just to try to like reinstall it or whatever, and I think
yeah, you can, but that's not going to work if it doesn't see the drive.
Okay.
It's got to have a place to put
but
the files.
Does it see the drive?
That's the point. The OS, the BIOS does know that the drive is there, but it's not like coming up normally like it would be.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's like it's like not even letting you change the settings in there. It's not seeing that, but that's probably because it's got the secure mode set on. It is definitely hard to say. That's one of my biggest pet peeves with these devices, is that they don't really, they go, and they don't really give you great indication that they're gonna go, and they don't give you a great indication that they're actually broken as well.
Okay.
Without running some kind of other diagnostic that will let you know that.
It all smells the same to me.
Yeah. And it might not even be this that I'm smelling up here. I just wasn't smelling it over there. I'm pretty sensitive with stuff. So.
It's just very interesting, some of the things he said. First off, the thing that really made me kind of... Obviously, I have to keep a straight face here. I was really mad nervous that the guy was going to figure out that there was a camera somewhere. But basically, the first thing I really thought was kind of weird was the fact that he said that, like, he smelled something. Like, let's be honest here. This don't smell like anything. Unless I got the Rona. I don't have the Rona, by the way. It's a relatively clean laptop. I cleaned this all before I, like, brought it, too. So, like, it's pretty much spotless. Don't smell like anything. He smelled something interesting. The other thing that I found really interesting was the fact that he said that the drive was it could go like that. And in some cases it definitely can. A SSD can go like that. You can have like a capacitor blow up or something short, and that's very, very possible here. I just find the comment about the SSD dying pretty quickly because in the vast majority of cases, SSDs degrade over time, especially like the cases for the camera SSDs. I ended up buying some really cheap camera SSDs, which they're not cheap, but cheap SSDs for my camera, and I burned through those in about a year and a half. And what happens is certain sections of the drive become unusable. My personal experience with dodgy SSDs. So drives fail over time. You don't lose all your data at once for a good bit of cases. There's also a good bit of cases that it disappears like that. And given what he was saying, I mean, I could understand that. And remember, 10K likes, we're doing the next video shirtless. Entirely shirtless. And the other thing, 50K views, guys, on this one. And we'll be going to Best Buy, see what the Geek Squad has to say, and we will be doing it right this time. I promise. We'll have some actual virus stuff on the PC. I promise. Y'all need to stop sending memes, okay? You hear me? Stop sending the memes virus. Because it just tears up the drive. I can't take it to Best Buy if it looks like it's not finding a drive. Come on, guys.